Time is luxury. Rolex.
The secret to creating a realistic commercial is basically prompting. Prompting is not just ordinary prompting. Prompting is using a very good JSON prompt, right? Then JSON prompt is the ultimate to creating your extensive and quality commercials, both for foods, a unboxing experience, UGC ads, and every of your commercial. Then in this particular tutorial now, I'm going to teach you how the secret to creating a realistic and a very hyper motive, what should I even call itself, realistic ads and commercials for your advertisements. Now look at this particular template. This is JSON Google Veo 3 prompts, right? How to use this prompt is this one is reusable cinematic JSON template for create opening products and launches. This is for this. If you want to use this, copy this particular template, paste it in your ChatGPT. Then over here where they said brand name, replace your brand name there. Then product name, replace your product name with it, right? Then paste it in your ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to use this particular template guide and create a prompt for your product and your brand name for you. When you now copy those one, that particular one that ChatGPT will give you, now carry it and paste it in your Google Veo 3 or your Gemini to now create that video ad for you. If you paste this one in your Google Gemini or Veo 3, it will not show you anything because it was not meant for creating this particular word. Creating a prompt for video is basically for creating a video that your prompt will request of it, right? Then to use this, we are going to try out something. Let me show you how to use this. If you copy this, for instance, you paste it in your ChatGPT and look at this one now. Make a full structured JSON master ad prompt for my product. Now this is product name. Then all this blah 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 blah, right? Then let me copy this and show you and give you an instance. I'm going to copy this to this place. Show you see where I stopped. I'll now copy here. I'll copy like this. Then I'll basically go back. I'll go back to my ChatGPT, right? I'll go back to my ChatGPT. This is my ChatGPT. If I go back to my ChatGPT, I'll now paste this, right? Then go to that particular place. They said your product name. Which product am I creating, right? For instance, if I want to do maybe Rolex watch, if my product is a Rolex watch, I will write Rolex experience for crafting for digital TV, social media, and blah 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 blah. I'll click on Rolex watch, then paste it, click on go, right? Then this ChatGPT is going to give me a JSON prompt. Remember, this thing is a JSON request. It's going to give me a JSON prompt. Look at what it's giving me now. Product name is Rolex watch. Best theme match, Rolex Cinematic Timeless Elegant, right? Are you seeing it now? This is basically how it's going to give. Still generating it. Understand? Are you seeing the whole ads? Once it is done generating this particular one now, I'm now going to click it here and copy. But before you copy this thing, you should basically make sure that all of this scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4 is what you actually want. Okay, I'm going to copy this. For instance, if I copy this again now, let me just make sure I have copied it. I will now copy it. Go to my Google Gemini. Look at my Google Gemini over here. Once I will now click on create videos. If I'm creating image, I now click on create image, write, build, or deep set, depending on what I want to achieve with this. But for this, I want to create a video. I'll now click on this place, then click here and paste. Once I paste, I will now click on go, right? It will now process this particular prompt based on what ChatGPT gave me and not based on what I copied from that template guide. That template guide I gave you is a guide for you to ask ChatGPT of a particular thing. Remember, if you paste that particular one at ChatGPT that you copied from my guide, it will not give you a very exclusive video. But the one we are going to paste here basically is the one you copied from ChatGPT and paste it over here. You can see I'm generating your video according to what Gemini is saying. Then this could take a few minutes, so check back to see when your video is ready. Then this can take 1 to 2 minutes. Then it will process this based on this particular idea here. Remember, before you paste it here, you should make sure that you have read through all of these scenes. This is scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and what, scene 4. And all of these things will be inside 8 seconds, right? If you don't want it to have scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and scene 4, then I have another template structure prompt and guide that will now allow you to do it the way you want. I just wanted to choose this one to give you a demo of how my prompt works basically, right? Then look at, if you care for any of those template prompts, I'll basically send you to via comment section or via your email, right? Then this is taking time. It said this can take 1 to 2 minutes. Then let's wait again. I'm done. Your video is ready according to our prompt. You can see, are you seeing it now? This is a very exclusive UGC prompt, right? Look at template. You see scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and scene 4 basically, right? This is time is luxury, Rolex. This is a very exclusive, this is a very hyper exclusive guide tutorial for this. See, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I'm going to give you a back-to-back template guide, back-to-back template guide structure for your ads and commercial. Follow, comment, and share this video. Thank you. Okay, now let me run you through this my JSON Google Veo 3 prompt. The secret guide to your cinematic experiences, video creations, and your master ads. This number 1 basically is reusable cinematic JSON template for create opening products. You can see, you now copy this prompt here. This generates JSON prompts. Copy it from here, right? And then go from this place. Now you can see where the curly brace started, and this is where curly brace started, right? Beside under this JSON template prompt, right? And you can see down where it's ended, right? And you can see it basically. Then for you to use this, look at where it says your brand name, you write it, your product name, you write it, your primary product name, you write it, and supporting visual props, visual styles, and keywords separate with comma words separated, which means if you're adding your keywords, you separate with comma, right? Then over here, look at it here. In this place, you are going to write it once over here. Then brand name, you write it. Product name, you write it. Product primary key, you write it. Primary product part, you write it. Supporting visuals props, you write it. And visual style, also write it. Then copy it from here, from this place that I highlighted. Then go down. You continue to go down till this place that I'm showing you now. That is where you stop. Then copy it from here and paste it in your ChatGPT. ChatGPT will see your brand name on all of these things you wrote here, right? Then and also give you what you want. Then this is another one, under JSON prompt format. You copy it also from here and paste it. This is universal ideas to retrieve cinematic prompts, JSON format style, right? You copy it. This one, number 1 is JSON format style 4, right? This is also JSON format style 5. This is also JSON format style 6 and JSON format style 7. I wrote these things cinematically. I'll be using this thing for